Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit videos in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have opened up a blank video editing slate, and you can try and insert videos into this and then upload them to Canva and use them within the video itself. However, I'll just be using one of their own sort of templates, and I'll pick this one. Just add this sort of slide, and as you can see, it is a 10-second segment of the video, and I'll just keep on that. Now, if I click on it, or click on the background or anywhere, if I click on the text, it's going to edit the text or any elements. If I click on the background, then it'll open up a toolbar for editing videos. If I go all the way to the top left, as you can see, the first tool is edit video, and I do apologize this for not being in English, but you can click on that, and then you have a couple of tools. You have filters, which you can edit, intensity and all, or you can go to edit, which is the right hand toolbar or right hand tab, which is still in the beta, by the way. But here you can edit a couple of different things. You can edit the temperature of the screen, you can edit the hue of the actual video, you can edit the light, the brightness, the contrast, the light parts, the shadows, and a lot of different things, colors, textures, whatever you want. Under textures, you only have the vignette, and if you want, you can click reset to delete all of them there. You can also just select this part of the video, and here you can click on the three dots just to get a couple of more editing sort of how do you call it, options. You can change the name of that page, you can change a couple of things, but essentially that is pretty much all you can do. If I right click, it opens up the same menu, and I can click this, which is just to cut, or you can just highlight where you want it to be, move this highlighter to the certain part of video, click S, and it'll highlight or separate it into different segments. But those are the things that you can do in Canva when it comes to editing videos. Up to it, the rest is up to you and to your creativity. But for now, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.